How to fix Roblox not launching. The very first thing you want to do is to restart your PC. Many players are able to launch Roblox after they restart their computer, so it's definitely worth trying. If it doesn't fix your issue, then in the next step, what you want to try doing is reset your internet options. Open your Internet Explorer. If it's not on your desktop, you can search for it in your Start menu or in the source bar next to the Start button. Click the gear-shaped icon at the top right corner and then click on Internet Options. Switch to the Advanced tab and then click on Reset. Check the option of Delete Personal Settings and then click Reset. Restart your PC to let the changes take effect. Now the next way is to check your proxy settings. In the source bar next to your Start button, type proxy, then click Change Proxy Settings. Make sure that User Setup Script and User Proxy Server are set to off. For Windows 11 users, your screen will look slightly different. Well, if it doesn't fix your issue, then what you can try doing is reinstall your Roblox desktop app. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Roblox is not launching. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.